let's draw a popsicle.
Artsy with Mariah.
Welcome to Artsy with Mariah, where we turn a blank piece of paper into a colorful masterpiece. All you're gonna need for today's video is a piece of paper and something to color with. Let's go on our drawing adventure. Before we start, I wanna thank Sam for today's drawing idea. To start off our popsicle drawing, we're gonna do an arch kind of in the center of our paper. An arch is going to come up and over and back down. And this is going to create our popsicle shape. Then we're going to connect the bottom of our arch by drawing a straight line across. If you guys ever feel like I'm going a little too fast, please feel free to pause the video or even watch it again once we're done. Remember, practice makes perfect. So now that we have the outside shape of our popsicle, it's time to add our popsicle stick. The popsicle stick is actually going to be another arch on the bottom side. So you guys will see in a lot of our drawings, we kind of repeat the same basic shapes over and over. It's really cool to see how basically anything that you draw is made up of these basic, simple shapes. Now, I think it'd be so fun if our popsicle had some sort of chocolate drizzle. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come to the top of my popsicle and I'm just gonna start creating a line that kind of swirls up and down, and there's really no rhyme or reason to it because it's just supposed to look like something is dripping down the popsicle. I think we need to add some sort of smiley face to this popsicle today, so I'm gonna do a smiley face with 2 dots for the eyes, and then I'm gonna add a simple smile today. It's just gonna be one arch like this. And now for my favorite part of the day, adding in the color. But first, while you guys finish up your drawing, I want to introduce you to my old friend. He's going to share with you guys the word of the day.
Hello friends, my name is Artsy Arthur. My old friend Mariah asked me if I'd be willing to come onto the show and share our word of the day. So let's get to it. Today's word is patience. Patience is when you wait calmly, even if you really want something, like waiting for a popsicle on a hot summer's day. My question for you children is, how can you practice patience today? That's a good thought to munch on, isn't it? That reminds me, I'm rather hungry for a bone. And now we'll head back to our drawing lesson with my pal Mariah. Toodle-loo.
Thank you so much, Arthur. It was so good to see you today. Okay, you guys, let's start coloring in our popsicle stick. I want the main part of my popsicle to be a pink color. To me, it's kind of like the popsicle is a strawberry flavor. So I'm just gonna start coloring that in nice and big. You guys could pick any color for your popsicle today. Once I have the main part of my popsicle, I'm gonna add in my chocolate drizzle at the top. So I'm gonna pick out a brown color and I'm gonna go and I'm just gonna start filling in all of that chocolate drizzle that we have. This is starting to look so yummy. Actually, I really want a popsicle now. Now it's time to color in our popsicle stick. A popsicle stick is usually a light tan color because they're made out of wood. So I'm gonna pick out a light tan and I'm gonna go in and color in my popsicle stick. Now to make our popsicle super fun, I think we should add some sprinkles all over the whole popsicle. How I'm gonna do that is a simple little trick. I'm just gonna make lines that go all over my popsicle stick. Very short lines that are all going different directions, and it kind of creates the look of sprinkles because sprinkles are usually just straight little lines. And I'm gonna use a couple of different colors today. I'm gonna do some blue ones and some red ones and a couple of white ones too. You guys did a great job following along with today's popsicle drawing. I am so excited to see what you guys created. Today's featured artist is Addison. I love how she decorated the page all around her ice cream cone. That is so fun. Keep up the great work, Addison. If you would like to become our next featured artist, ask an adult to go to artsywithmariah.com. Remember, the sky is the limit when it comes to your imagination, so keep drawing and keep dreaming. I'll see you guys on my next artsy adventure.
Remember to hit the subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all things Artsy with Mariah. Until next time, toodle-loo, my artsy friends.